Bank of America $30,000 short sale incentive. Hey, the big news this week is Bank of America has announced its proprietary short sale program. Under the new short sale program, Bank of America is offering between $2,500 and $30,000 for those who qualify and agree to their new cooperative short sale process. The stipulations are the escrow must close by September 26, 2012. The seller must clear all liens and encumbrances, and Bank of America gets to set the sales price. Now, Bank of America will allow all or part of the short sale incentive to be applied towards paying off or clearing any liens on the property. The seller is responsible for delivering a clear title. So what's the downside, you ask? And what's all this mean? Well, there's several watch out, and if not handled correctly, they could be devastating to the seller. First, and probably most important, is the seller delivering clear title. If you have a second mortgage, you'll be responsible for the payment required to secure the release of lien. In a traditional short sale, the first lien holder would be responsible for that payment and any back property taxes or things such as that. Now, Bank of America will allow you to use your incentive money to clear that lien. But if that's the case, what good's getting the money if you have to pay it to clear the second? The incentive money from Bank of America is taxable, so you will pay taxes on it. The rest of the story is there are many seconds that will not allow you to receive payment at close of escrow, which will open up a whole nother can of worms. The second big watch out is allowing Bank of America to set the sales price. If they set the price too high and the property does not sell, you are obligated to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure. It's also called a friendly foreclosure, but it's still a foreclosure and will show up on your credit report as such. Under certain circumstances, this has the makings of a good program, if and only if it's handled properly. Make sure your short sale agent is a certified default advocate like we are and fully understands the pros and cons of the program. For a free consultation, call my office at the number below. You know, to get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log into www.shortsaleandloadmod.info for a free estimate or call me for a free no obligation consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did.